welcome back. Today, I'm excited to share a truly special experience of barbecue night that was nothing short of magical. It was an evening spent with close friends and juniors, filled with laughter, good food, and unforgettable memories. Rain or Shine Restaurant graciously invited us, and from the moment we arrived, the atmosphere was vibrant and welcoming. The scent of sizzling barbecue filled the air, and the lively chatter of people created a warm and joyful ambience. We enjoyed not just the delicious food, but also an incredible live show that added a unique charm to the night. It was one of those rare moments where everything felt just perfect: the company, the flavors, and the energy of the place. Words can't fully capture how amazing it was, so I won't say too much. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video as it takes you through this wonderful evening. Truly, it was a night to remember.
Bye.